Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in an Outer Banks trim and powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency and obvious four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have a rugged and spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. Underneath this tough cover, you have your full-size spare with some extra little compartments around. And to the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet, as well as these little tie-down points with lassos on them. And to the left, you have this light, or these lights on the corners of the hatch that you can articulate to shine where you need them. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial ActiveX and cloth interior, I believe. Fold-out armrests with two cup holders in the middle. USB and USB-C and 110-volt power outlet down there. And the backs of the seats have zippered pockets, as well as MOLLE rigging that you can hook your equipment onto. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, tire pressures, radio, fuel economy. Then you can also go into further service information and settings. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stalk. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. You also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down, you have your media controls, as well as your hazards and your auto start stop shut off. Below that, you have this little cubby area. And then moving down further, you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel so you can stay comfortable. Below that, you have this tray area with a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. Then you have a 12-volt power outlet, USB, and USB-C, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. Then you have your main shifter here on a dial, very convenient, easy to use. Two cup holders, parking brake, brake hold, and GOAT mode selector. So you have normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is relatively spacious with another USB and USB-C inside, so you can plug something in from there too. And last but not least, you have a power moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.